Hi, my name's Gail Hoffman. I'm from North Reddington Beach, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, I am going to demonstrate how to open a coconut. Okay, after you've pried your pieces away from the hard shell, then you want to remove this thin outer skin. Some people will shred the coconut meat up with this, and that's fine if you want to do that. I prefer to peel away the skin, and so I use a peeler, and you just remove all of it. Especially if you're going to store it, you want to keep it nice and white, the coconut nice and white, and that would be another reason to remove this brown peel, because it would start to discolor the coconut. And that's why you want it bigger pieces, because it makes this process a lot easier. You have nice big pieces to peel.